Hi, I'm Pamela McCoy, CEO of BONA5 Credit Consultants. Our consultant team has nearly 30 years of progressive experience in the credit industry, to include credit card as well as banking. We have special expertise and have chosen to focus on personal money management, financial capability education, and credit management, critical assessment strategies, and we also do various trainings and sometimes using our clients' curriculum. And through these experiences, I decided to write my first book, BONA5 Bits for Inspiration and Intellect Collide with Your Finances. Now, this book is a quick, easy read, only 69 pages. It is sure to inspire, to encourage, and to bless every reader spiritually, intellectually, as well as financially. Now, this book was written for all people. It was written with all people in mind, whether you're female or male, young or old, or any ethnicity. And particularly, it will be of value to high school students as they build their financial future on a firm foundation. I believe you'll find the inspiration and financial principles that you can apply to your life immediately. Educate, empower, evolve, enlighten, and enrich every individual or group that we are blessed to serve. And when you apply these principles, you'll find financial freedom is right in the palm of your hand. So BONA5 Credit Consultants is your first choice to assist you with your personal money management needs. So, to fuel your financial potential, as well as be inspired, visit our website, BONA5DCC.com today. That's BONA5DCC.com.